I'm going to answer a question that probably no one has asked before, in the hubcap community at least. Is it possible to have a 12-inch hubcap fit onto a 13-inch wheel? Now, a lot of the questions would probably be no. And I get that, but that's not true. So I'll prove that to you. So, here's a 13-inch wheel. It's off my dad's old caravan trailer thing, whatever it was, like those retro old caravans. And it had those like white hubcaps on, like the white retro uni hubcaps on. But he lost one. The other one was in really bad condition. It was all chipped and smashed and broken, and it was really hard to remove. So yeah, we just left that on there. But we took this wheel off when he sold the caravan, and yeah. So this is going to be the example hubcap for today. These are the two hubcaps I'll be putting on. Now, this is a 13-inch, so I'll be doing that. And this is the 12-inch hubcap I'm going to install. So this wheel is very specific because it has like a really deep dipped-in area on the outside, on the side here. So the hubcap clips can kind of clip into there instead of on the outside. It clips on the inside instead of the clips on the outside. It's a bit odd, but first of all, you can realise with these hubcaps that these ones do not have valve grooves, unlike these ones, which is like most hubcaps. So, because this hubcap right here has got a really thin outside area, so if there's not a groove, it doesn't really matter because it would not interfere with the valve at all. It wouldn't displace it. But the only one thing that needs to be done is the valve needs to be properly installed with the ring, like that. You don't have to do that. If you want, you can just put this ring dipped inwards anywhere on any spoke, but that's just, for some reason, that's just required. I don't know why, but I'm going to show you how to install it. So, if you were to install it like this, like with the ring, it'd be very difficult and the hubcap would not go on properly. So what needs to be done is the hubcap ring needs to be removed, like that. Very easy to remove ring. Then you need to do the exact same thing like that and just snap it on. There you go. And it looks pretty nice. Like, I wouldn't actually mind this at all if I had a trailer with 13-inch wheels like this with 12-inch hubcaps, because they look actually amazing. I really like them like this. So this one doesn't stay on too great. It kind of just comes off. It's still got a bit of force behind it, but just not too much. You can kind of maybe hear the force. But it's really quite easy to remove. This one's a brittle version, so it's going to be a lot more difficult to remove. So you just take the ring off like that, and do the exact same thing, and just snap it on. There you go. And this one actually is quite difficult to remove. Well, not quite difficult, it's quite easy to remove, but it's a lot more difficult than the other one. So yeah, now I'm actually going to put the original hubcap on now. So not the original hubcap on, but the original hubcap that I decide that should be on the wheel, because this hubcap looks really nice on the wheel. So what I'll do is I'll just... There you go. So yeah, that's it. So I do hope you do enjoy, and yeah, bye guys.